Fragrance. It's a powerful thing. It has the ability to captivate our senses and leave a lasting impression. A simple scent can evoke memories, transport us to distant lands, or even shift our mood. The right fragrance can make us feel confident, nostalgic, or even adventurous. A signature scent becomes a part of us, an invisible accessory that speaks volumes. It tells a story about who we are and how we want to be perceived. For centuries, perfumes have held a special allure, transforming from simple aromatic concoctions to complex, luxurious creations. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the art of perfumery has evolved significantly. But navigating the world of fragrance can be overwhelming. The sheer variety of options can leave anyone feeling lost. With countless brands, concentrations, and scent profiles, finding the perfect perfume can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Each scent has its own unique character and personality. This is where perfume subscription boxes come in, offering a tantalizing solution for both fragrance aficionados and curious newcomers. They provide a curated selection of scents to explore. These curated boxes promise a journey of olfactory discovery, delivered right to your doorstep. Each box is an invitation to experience new and exciting fragrances. But do they live up to the hype? Are they truly the gateway to discovering your next favorite scent? Are they truly the affordable pathway to luxury scents? Or are they just another fleeting trend? The promise of luxury at a fraction of the cost is enticing. Let's delve into the fragrant world of perfume subscription boxes to uncover the truth. Join us as we explore the benefits and potential pitfalls of this modern approach to fragrance discovery. Imagine this: a beautifully packaged box arriving at your doorstep each month, filled with miniature vials of exquisite perfumes. This is the essence of perfume subscription boxes. These services operate on a simple premise. You sign up, often taking a quiz to determine your scent preferences. Then, each month, you receive a curated selection of perfume samples, usually enough for several weeks of wear. The concept is undeniably appealing. It offers a low-risk, affordable way to explore a wide array of fragrances without committing to a full bottle. But like any subscription service, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before diving in. One of the most significant factors to consider is cost. Perfume subscription boxes typically range from $15 to $30 per month. This might seem like a steal compared to the price of a full-sized bottle of designer perfume, which can easily exceed $100. However, it's crucial to remember that you're receiving sample sizes, not full bottles. Consider how often you wear perfume and how quickly you go through a bottle. If you're a daily wearer, a subscription box might not be the most cost-effective option. However, if you enjoy variety and trying new scents, the subscription model could be a good fit. The most enticing aspect of perfume subscription boxes is undoubtedly the sheer variety of scents they offer. From classic floral fragrances to modern, edgy scents, these boxes expose you to a world of olfactory possibilities. Many services curate their selections based on your preferences, ensuring you receive scents you're likely to enjoy. This is particularly beneficial for those new to the world of fragrance. It allows you to experiment and discover your personal scent profile without feeling overwhelmed by the vast selection at a department store counter. The quality question: authenticity and concentration. A common concern with perfume subscription boxes is the quality of the fragrances. Are they authentic, or are they diluted imitations? Most reputable services partner directly with fragrance houses or use trusted suppliers to ensure authenticity. However, it's crucial to choose well-established companies with transparent sourcing practices. Another factor to consider is the concentration of the fragrances. Eau de Parfum, or EDP, contains a higher concentration of fragrance oils than Eau de Toilette, or EDT, resulting in a longer-lasting scent. Check whether the service specifies the fragrance concentration, as this can impact the overall value. Tailoring your aromatic aura personalization options. One of the most appealing aspects of perfume subscription boxes is their emphasis on personalization. Most services require you to complete a detailed questionnaire about your scent preferences, lifestyle, and even skin type. This information is then used to curate a selection of fragrances tailored to your individual taste. Some services even offer the option to preview the monthly selections and swap out fragrances you don't think you'll enjoy. This level of customization ensures a more personalized experience, increasing the likelihood of receiving scents you'll love. Scentbird, a symphony of scents. Scentbird is one of the most popular perfume subscription services, known for its wide selection of designer and niche fragrances. Their subscription costs around $15 per month, and you receive a 30-day supply of your chosen fragrance in a sleek, refillable atomizer. Scentbird offers a vast library of over 500 fragrances from popular brands like Gucci, Prada, and Tom Ford. One of Scentbird's standout features is its user-friendly website and app. You can easily browse fragrances by category, brand, or scent profile. They also offer a scent finder quiz to help you discover new fragrances based on your preferences. Olfactive curated fragrance discoveries. For those seeking a more curated and luxurious experience, Olfactive might be the perfect fit. This subscription service focuses on niche and artisanal fragrances, offering a carefully curated selection of 3 samples every other month. Olfactive subscriptions start at $18 per month, and they offer the unique option to purchase full-sized bottles of your favorite discoveries at a discounted price. Olfactive prides itself on its commitment to quality and sustainability. They partner with perfumers who use high-quality ingredients and sustainable practices. Their packaging is also eco-friendly, reflecting their commitment to responsible luxury. Scentbox, a world of fragrant possibilities. Scentbox is another popular option that offers a wide variety of designer and niche fragrances at an affordable price. For around $15 per month, you receive a 30-day supply of your chosen fragrance in a sleek, travel-friendly atomizer. Scentbox boasts a vast library of over 850 fragrances, including both classic and contemporary scents. One of Scentbox's unique features is its scent schedule. This allows you to customize your delivery frequency and choose which fragrance you'd like to receive each month. You can also purchase additional fragrance vials or full-sized bottles directly from their website. A personal verdict, my scent subscription journey. I'll confess I was initially skeptical about perfume subscription boxes. The idea of receiving random scents every month seemed a bit risky. Could a monthly subscription truly capture the essence of my ever-evolving scent preferences? I wondered if it would be worth the investment. However, curiosity got the better of me, and I decided to try a few popular services. I wanted to see if they could surprise me with unique fragrances. My experience has been a positive one. Each month brought a new adventure in scent discovery. I've discovered hidden gems I might never have encountered otherwise, scents that truly resonated with me. And the convenience of receiving curated scents at my doorstep is undeniable. It felt like a little gift to myself each month. While I wouldn't say I've found my signature scent through a subscription box, the variety has been refreshing. It has reignited my love for fragrance, reminding me of the joy of exploring new scents, and opened my eyes, or rather my nose, to a world of olfactory possibilities. It's been a delightful journey of discovery and surprise. Are perfume subscriptions worth it? So, are perfume subscription boxes worth the investment? Let's dive a bit deeper into this question. The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. There are several factors to consider. If you're a fragrance enthusiast who enjoys exploring new scents and values convenience and affordability, then a perfume subscription box can be a delightful addition to your life. These boxes often provide a curated selection of high-quality samples, allowing you to discover new favorites without committing to full-sized bottles. However, if you're devoted to a specific fragrance, or prefer to invest in full-sized bottles of your favorites, then a subscription box might not be the best fit. You might find that the samples don't last long enough, or that you end up with scents you don't particularly enjoy. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your personal preferences, budget, and how you prioritize fragrance in your life. Consider how much you enjoy experimenting with new scents versus sticking to tried and true favorites. Have you tried a perfume subscription box? What was your experience like? Did you discover any new favorites, or was it not worth the cost for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any recommendations you might have for others considering a subscription. And for those new to the world of fragrance, be sure to check out our beginner's guide to finding your signature scent. It's a great resource to help you navigate the vast array of options and find the perfect fragrance for you.